Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to tell if your Weebly theme is responsive. This is really important to know because a responsive theme automatically adjusts to fit different screen sizes, ensuring your website looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Let's jump right in and check if your theme has this capability. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. This will take you to your Weebly dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your websites. On this homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Look for the option labeled Website and click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to manage and edit your sites. Under the Website option, you'll see Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. If you have multiple websites set up in your Weebly account, you'll be prompted to choose which one you want to work with. Select the website you'd like to check for responsiveness. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to proceed. Now you're inside the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens, where you can customize layouts, add content, and adjust settings. To check if your theme is responsive, you don't need to dive into complicated settings or code. You can simply resize your browser window, and this will immediately show you whether your theme adapts to different screen sizes. Here's what you need to do. Click and drag the edge of your browser window to make it narrower, simulating what your site would look like on a tablet or mobile device. Watch closely as you resize. If your theme is responsive, you'll notice the layout adjusting automatically. Elements like text, images, and menus will shift and resize to fit the smaller screen width seamlessly. This smooth transition is exactly what you want to see because it means your visitors will have a good experience no matter what device they're using. Now, let me show you what a non-responsive theme looks like. When you resize the browser with a non-responsive theme, the layout stays fixed. Instead of adapting, elements remain the same size, which often means parts of your content get cut off or you'll see a horizontal scroll bar appear. The difference is quite noticeable. A responsive theme flows and adjusts, while a non-responsive theme stays rigid and can look broken on smaller screens. By simply resizing your browser, you've successfully determined whether your Weebly theme is responsive or not. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.